My dear children, as you already know, 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day in the memory of late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was very fond of children. Children, you are the special and most precious gift of God to us. You have the ability to transform this whole world. We missed you a lot during this pandemic time. Your smile, your every little act fills our heart with love, enthusiasm, and motivates us to perform better. I pray to God that you stay healthy, all your dreams come true, and you succeed in adverse situation also. I am very delighted to wish you all happy Children's Day from the entire JMPS family.
Ma'am, ma'am, you are not audible. Your mic is muted.
Oh, thank you, Gunjan. You're such a good girl. Very good. Thank you.
Oh yeah. This Gunjan is such an idiot, yaar. Finally, Charulata was on mute. She told her, ma'am, you are on mute. Nobody is paying attention in this class. Still, she was telling her.
Divyanshi, you are not muted. We all are listening you.
Okay. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute your mic. Shivani, what are you doing?
Ma'am, I am eating cornflakes.
So finish your cornflakes first and then tell your parents to call me. Okay?
Actually, ma'am, my parents are out of station.
Oh Lord, what's this child? She put her clothes with my whites again.
So class, okay, I'm going to take your oral test today. So firstly, let's call Pihu. Okay, Pihu, open your mic and tell me what is global warming.
Yes, ma'am. Global warming is... is called global warming.
Pihu, are you stuck or you are making fool of me? I can see your sister moving here and there, but only you are stuck. How is it possible? Fine, global warming.
Yes, ma'am. I told you, ma'am. Again. Okay, ma'am. Global warming is... Ouch!
Okay, leave the class, everyone.
Students, what are you doing? Make a line. Come on.
Okay, sir.
Make a line, all of you.
Okay, sir.
Sachin, study the line.
Anji, sir.
Come one by one, please. अंदर से दबा
Good morning. Akansha, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Amit, put your mask properly.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Sachin, come from there. And there is a mask. And what kind of hair you have?
Sorry, sir.
I will not allow you the next time. Go.
Sorry, sir.
Morning, sir.
सचिन
क्या हुआ भाई?
भाई मास्क नहीं करा
यार मास्क भूल गया।
वरना सर है डांटेंगे तो फिर मास्क नहीं मैंने तो बाहर भी डांटा था सर ने। ये ले भाई मेरे पास एक स्पेयर मास्क है इसे पहन ले
थैंक यू सो मच भाई।
और आगे से मत भूलियो लेके आना है ये हमारी सेफ्टी है भाई।
ठीक है भाई
ठीक है ओए विवेक और सचिन जल्दी आ जाओ सेल्फी लेते हैं जल्दी
All of you, and I welcome you all after a long time after Corona. And we all know that it has been a good and a bad time for us. Children, we all know that the schools are being opened in online and offline mode both as per the guidelines of the state government. I request all of you that the time you are in the school, you are supposed to follow all the guidelines strictly. It is not only safe for you, it is safe for the society. So I request all of you, meantime you are in the school, maintain the social distance. You are also requested to keep on wearing a mask, keep on using sanitizer. As we all know that it has been a mix of experiences for all of us. So I would like to know what kind of experiences you have during this Corona period. Let me ask, okay Arshila, what was your experience?
Yes, sir. So my experience was not good, sir. I got so upset at home and I was missing my school, my friends so much, sir. I really wanted to come back.
I can understand, and even Harshita, the studious students like you, even we missed you in the school, and we are happy that you people have come back to us because the school is nothing without you. Okay, Amit, what was your experience?
Sir, I learned lots of things, sir. Lots of things. I learned cooking. मेरे को आया पैसा कैसे बनाना है. मैंने सीखा मेरे को डोसा कैसे बनाना है. प्लस मैंने ये भी सीखा सर कि बिना पीवीआर के कैसे रह सकते हैं.
That's a very good thing. And Amit is going to win the result show this year.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Isha, what was your experience? Come forward and please tell.
Sir, I have learned resources are limited in nature. So we should use them effectively. And you know what? There is enough for everybody's need, but not for anybody's greed. So we have to be very careful, sir.
We all know that during this Corona period, there were certain people, those who were not able to get any resources at all. And this period actually has taught us that in how much less resources we can actually live. This period has taught us that we have to share our resources with the needy. So this is the best time we can do. Okay, Kirti, what was your experience?
Sir, mine was a lot of fun. I used to wake up at 10 a.m. I was on Netflix all day and then I used to sleep at 1 a.m.
Oh, this girl had a philosophy of eat, sleep and repeat. So you must have Vivek, you also. As I have told just now to Vivek and Kirti, you all have to keep your mask up, keep on using sanitizers, even while going to the washrooms or having your recess period, you have to keep on maintaining their social distance. Thank you very much, children. Now, the other teachers are going to come to you to teach you be proper, discipline in the class and study properly. Thank you very much, children. God bless you.
यार अमित, मैं तो स्कूल आना के थक गया यार.
मैं भाई भी यहाँ पे भी सो ही रहा है. ठीक है और वैसे भी तो घर पे भी सोता था. चल मुझे यहाँ पे सो.
यार तुझे कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे यार नो डाउट समझ में तो बहुत आ रहा है भाई. बहुत समझ में आ रहा है. बट यार वो मजा मिस कर रहा हूँ जो मैं घर पे मिलता था मेरे को. रात को 2-2 बजे सोना, सुबह 10 बजे उठना बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ. इससे पूछ कीर्ति से.
हाँ, मैंने तो फुल ऑन मजा किया. मैंने सब खाया. मैं 10 बजे उठती थी, 1 बजे सोती थी,
वैसे भी ना मैं भी स्टूडियस नहीं हूँ हर्षिता और की तरह। देख अभी भी पढ़ रहे हैं।
नहीं यार, पता है बात स्टूडियस होने की है ही नहीं। Actually, you know what? We all had our problems.
Yes, I agree with her. Now please let us start.
यार अच्छा क्लियर है।
I think it's English, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning, ma'am.
Sit down, sit down.
Thank you.
Okay, so students, as I am talking to you, let me also connect with the online students.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it has been a week that you all are coming, might being somewhere else. Settle down and happy with offline classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here we are with online students also. So students, today I am going to take your test that I taught you. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Harshita beta.
ma'am, I want to say something, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, हमें टेस्ट नहीं देना।
Oh, why? Oh, see Harshita, they are also there with no test. My God, why?
मैम एक्चुअली जो भी हमने ऑनलाइन क्लास में पढ़ा मैम, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एनीथिंग, आई कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग मैम। एट टाइम्स मैम, यू नो व्हाट, आई यूज्ड टू बी देयर इन द क्लास एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू गेट डिस्कनेक्टेड, नेटवर्क इश्यूज, फिर रिकनेक्ट ही नहीं होता था, लगे रहो करते रहो, वाईफाई इशू, कभी नेटवर्क इशू, कभी कभी मेरा नेटवर्क इशू, शायद कभी कभी आपका भी होगा। और मैम मैं बोलती रहती थी मैम आई कांट हियर यू, आई कांट हियर यू, बट मुझे लगता था या तो मेरी आवाज जा ही नहीं रही है या मैं समझ नहीं आ रही। मैम इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट मैम, कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया मैम। आई डोंट नो हाउ विल यू अंडरस्टैंड, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन ऑल ऑफ दैट अगेन मैम।
Yes, ma'am. All of us have faced similar problems. आपको पता है मेरे पापा का भी मैम वर्क फ्रॉम होम था और मेरा छोटा भाई भी है, उसकी भी मैम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस थी। मतलब he used to disturb a lot. और मैम हमारे पास ना डिवाइस भी दो ही थे। एक डिवाइस पर पापा वर्क करते रहे और कभी मैं क्लास ले रही थी और कभी भाई क्लास ले रहा है। And then sometimes due to his test now I have to miss my classes also ma'am. Continuity नहीं आई मैं genuinely मतलब मैं concentrate नहीं कर पाई, sorry मैम।
मैम एक बार तो मैम बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया मैम सर एग्जाम ले रहे थे, मेरे को किसी ने एक्सपेल कर दिया बीच में, और मैंने सर को कांटेक्ट किया तो सर ने फोन भी पिक नहीं किया, इस वजह से मैं पेपर भी नहीं दे पाया और मेरा अपसेट लगा दिया सर ने मैम।
Yes, ma'am. It was with me also, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, someone also exited me from the class, and also some student played some song and shared me in the chat box.
Yes,
right?
yes, yes,
And
yes.
that is why also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I know that it's been, I'm figuring out that okay, online students are also agreeing with you people. See, so many of their hands are being raised, okay, and so many of the similar problems are being popping up there also. Okay, guys, this pandemic has actually not only you people to put up in the problem, but we people also suffered a lot. See, I never used this much of the technology. Okay, I was only up to the Facebook, I was only up to the WhatsApp chat, that's it. But this time I learned how to make WhatsApp. Even students, you know what? I learned how to make PDF. I learned how to make PPTs for you. And all of the stuff with the help of the management only, we people were able to provide you in a proper dignified manner. Okay, I know it guys, that there is no substitute to offline class.
Exactly.
I know it. Okay, but what? We have to go on with the call of the nature. We would not go against the nature. Okay, so what? We only wanted your cooperation. I and we all the teacher on behalf of them assure you that we will do again whatever you want. But what we want? Your cooperation. Would it be there?
Yes, ma'am.
Online student, would it be there? I will revise each and everything again. So guys, okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
We all are meeting again and doing it all the things again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, bye-bye everyone. See you
Bye-bye,
tomorrow.
ma'am.
Hello students, this pandemic time has been tough for all of us, for you and we as well. But we have always seen that humanity has come out of all the pandemics, all the problems, even in the history and even now also. But we all know that we can come out of the problems when we have the cooperation from both the sides, from you and we as well. As teachers, we need the cooperation of you students so that we can deliver the best to you to the society and to the world. And at last, we all wish you Happy Children's Day!
Dear children, on this special day, I just want to say that you all are very special. We love you all. You all are unique in your own special way. And we are fortunate to have beautiful and special bonding with you, which gives us a lot of energy and keeps us enthusiastic. During these 2 years, you have shown a lot of energy and innovation in participating in various cultural and academic events. And now you are coming back to school. It was wonderful experience to have you back almost after 2 years. Dear children, many of the students are back to school and they are participating in various cultural and academic events at the zonal level as well as school level. And I hope that very soon we all will be together and everything becomes normal. Last but not the least, I want to say that you are our shining stars now and every day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा समय, दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा दिन, दुनिया के सबसे हसीन पल केवल बचपन में ही मिलते हैं। तभी आप सभी को बाल दिवस के इस उपलक्ष्य पर हम सभी अध्यापिकाओं की तरफ से शुभकामनाएं। बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि बाल दिवस वाले दिन ही पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू का जन्म दिवस भी होता है। वो बच्चों से बेइंतहा प्यार करते थे, इसलिए उन्होंने इस दिवस को बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाने का फैसला किया। जब आप बच्चों को मैं देखती हूँ तो मुझे अपना बचपन याद आ जाता है। माँ की कहानी थी, परियों का फसाना था, बारिश में कागज की नाव थी, बचपन का वो हर मौसम सुहाना था। ना खबर थी सुबह की, ना शाम का कोई ठिकाना था, थक हार के आना स्कूल से, पर खेलने तो जरूर जाना था। तो आज का दिन है प्यारे बच्चों का, मन के सच्चे बच्चे कोमल कलियां। तो बच्चों, मन यही दुआ देता है कि फूलों जैसे महकते रहो, पक्षी जैसे चहकते रहो, सूरज की भांति चमकते रहो और तितलियों जैसे मचलते रहो। माता पिता का आदर करो, सुंदर भाव से मन को भरो, हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, यही हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं। चंद पंक्तियां बच्चों आपके लिए। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारी जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल हैं जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे। बच्चे मन के सच्चे।
चंदा हो तुम, तारे हो तुम, फूल हो तुम, मैं को सदा जब भी मिले एक दूजे से, चिड़ियों जैसे जय को सदा। देखो देखो इस स्कूल में यहाँ कितना कुछ है, चित्रकला, संगीत, कंप्यूटर और बहुत कुछ है। दिखाना, सुनाना, प्यारे से बच्चों सुनो। चंदा हो तुम, तारे हो तुम, फूल हो तुम, महको सदा। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियां। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियां। लव लव से
different flowers, and together you make JMPS a beautiful garden. A very happy Children's Day to all of you.
बचपन में अक्सर हम सबसे एक प्रश्न पूछा जाता था कि बड़े होकर क्या बनोगे। आज इस प्रश्न का उत्तर मुझे मिला कि फिर से बच्चा बनना है। बचपन में कितना मजा आता था। With this beautiful thought, we team JMPS wish you a very happy Children's Day. So now get ready for a very beautiful performance by your own lovely teachers. Here we go.
सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम।
छुपी खेले आओ, छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, पास ही छुपना दूर न जाना, जब मैं बुलाऊं दौड़े दौड़े चले आना। छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, छुपा छुपी खेले आओ। लुक छुप जाना मकई का दाना, राजे की बेटी आई। सब छुप गए? नहीं नहीं दीदी, एक मिनट। सब छुप जाओ आगे पीछे, मैं बैठी हूँ अखियाँ मीचे। सब छुप जाओ आगे पीछे, मैं बैठी हूँ अखियाँ मीचे। मैं आई, मैं आई। कैसी है ये दीदी भला आँख में चोली, दाई आँख बंद किए बाई आँख खोली। किसने? मैंने? नहीं तो। कैसी है ये दीदी भला आँख में चोली, दाई आँख बंद किए बाई आँख खोली। पकड़ गए तुम, छोड़ो बहाना, अब मैं छुपूंगी मुझे ढूंढ के लाना। छुपा छुपी खेले आओ, छुपा छुपी खेले आओ।